Ever wondered how you can make money while you sleep? Imagine creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again. What if I told you that you can achieve this by creating and selling digital products like eBooks, online courses, or templates? And stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint on how to write an ebook using AI, a powerful tool that can save you time and effort. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we explore innovative ways to make money online and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our tips and tricks. Today, I'm going to take you through the exciting world of digital product creation and show you how to make a lucrative income by selling digital goods. Let's dive in. Let's rewind a bit. When I was in my early 20s, just like many of you, I was looking for ways to generate income online. I tried a lot of things, from freelance work to affiliate marketing, but nothing gave me the financial freedom I was seeking. Then I stumbled upon the concept of digital products. I remember reading an article about a guy who made thousands of dollars selling an ebook on productivity. The idea intrigued me. Creating something once and selling it repeatedly without any inventory or shipping costs? It sounded too good to be true, but I decided to give it a shot. My first digital product was a simple ebook on Instagram marketing. I poured my knowledge and experience into writing it, designed a cover and formatted it for digital platforms. I listed it on Amazon Kindle and promoted it through my social media channels. Within the first month, I made 5,000 rupees. It wasn't life-changing money, but it was proof that this model works. That initial success fueled my ambition. I realized the potential was enormous. The beauty of digital products is that you can scale infinitely. There are no manufacturing costs, no shipping hassles, and no inventory to manage. Every sale is almost pure profit. So I decided to dive deeper into this world and explore different types of digital products. The potential of digital products is limitless, and the only barrier is your imagination. Let's break this down into actionable steps so you can start creating and selling your digital products. Step 1. First, identify your niche and target audience. What are you passionate about? What expertise do you have that others might find valuable? It could be anything from fitness to finance to personal development. The key is to find a niche with demand and a target audience willing to pay for your knowledge. Step 2. Decide on the type of digital product you want to create. Here are a few popular options. eBooks, great for sharing in-depth knowledge on a specific topic. Online courses, ideal for providing step-by-step guidance and interactive learning. Templates, useful for offering ready-made solutions, like design templates or business plans. Step 3. Once you've chosen your product type, focus on creating high-quality content. For an ebook, write valuable and engaging content, design an attractive cover. For an online course, plan your curriculum, record high-quality videos, and create supporting materials like workbooks and quizzes. For templates, ensure they are easy to use and customizable. Step 4. Choose the right platforms to sell your digital products. Here are some options. For ebooks, Amazon Kindle, Gumroad, Smashwords. For online courses, Teachable, Udemy, Thinkific. For templates, Etsy, Creative Market, your own website. Step 5. Pricing your product correctly is crucial. Consider your audience's willingness to pay, the value your product offers, and competitor pricing. You can start with a lower price to attract initial customers and gradually increase it as you gain positive reviews and testimonials. Step 6. Effective marketing is key to driving sales. Here are some strategies. Social media marketing. Use platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to promote your product. Share valuable content related to your niche and engage with your audience. Email marketing. Build an email list and send regular updates, valuable content, and special offers to your subscribers. Content marketing. Create blog posts, videos, or podcasts that provide value and subtly promote your product. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other creators in your niche to reach a broader audience. I once created an online course on personal finance. I planned the curriculum meticulously, recorded high-quality videos, and added interactive elements like quizzes and assignments. I listed the course on Teachable and promoted it through Facebook ads. Within 3 months, the course generated over 20,000 rupees in sales. The best part, it continues to sell, bringing in passive income every month. The beauty of digital products is that they can create a snowball effect. Each successful product not only brings in revenue but also builds your reputation as an expert in your niche. The more products you create, the more opportunities you have to cross-promote and bundle them, increasing your overall sales. Every successful product builds your reputation and opens up new opportunities. Now, as promised, here's a step-by-step blueprint on how to write an ebook using AI. This is a game changer that can save you tons of time and effort. Step 1. Choose your topic. Start with a topic you're knowledgeable about or passionate about. It should be something that provides value to your target audience. Think about common problems your audience faces and how your ebook can solve them. Step 2. Outline your content. Create an outline of your ebook. Break it down into chapters or sections, outlining the main points you want to cover in each part. Here's a simple structure you can follow. Step 3. Use AI to generate content. Leverage AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate content for each section of your outline. Here's a prompt you can use to get started. Now just copy the prompt and put it in ChatGPT. Add the topic and key aspects of your choice. For example, my topic is social media marketing and key aspects will be how to grow following, how to create engaging content, and how to analyze metrics. Your ebook will look something like this. Step 4. Edit and refine. Once the AI has generated the content, go through it and make necessary edits. Ensure the content flows well and is free of errors. Add your personal touch to make it unique and relatable. This step is crucial to ensure the final product is polished and professional. Step 5. Design your ebook. Use design tools like Canva or Adobe InDesign to create a visually appealing layout for your ebook. Include images, graphics, and a professional cover page. A well-designed ebook not only looks professional but also enhances the reading experience. Step 6. Publish and promote. Finally, publish your ebook on platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Gumroad, or your own website. Promote it through your social media channels, email lists, and other marketing strategies we discussed earlier. Consider offering a limited-time discount or a free chapter to attract more readers. So, there you have it. That's how you can create and sell digital products to make a lucrative income online. It's a journey that requires creativity, effort, and persistence, but the rewards are well worth it. If you're ready to start, follow these steps and take the first leap towards financial freedom. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. If you want to know how I made 10,000 rupees just from Instagram, watch this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.